Hello everybody, this is Julian videos and there's my student Oliver. He's just peeked out now. I'm doing a video about these cars and this mighty long train. How did that fall down? I wonder why. Let's just put it on. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to hug him. Come on. And very. Oh God, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, there we go. Let's do the cars first now. So this is my fire car. That is my lightning car. That's my cola car. That's my police car. There's my normal car, I all normally play with. There's my two speed racer cars, Mark 6 and Mark 5. There's my Argos truck. And now time for the mighty tornado. Now this is, I made this with my coaches. Yes, there's my student Oliver jumping about. And now this is the green tornado.
It's a very famous engine and it is very fragile.
Yeah.
It's 150 pounds.
Yeah, next engine I'm going to make is the Flying Scotsman.
Rarest engine ever.
Yeah. And it's going to pull that coach and that coach, and the tornado will pull that coach and that coach. Just to remind me, Flying Scotsman will pull that and that. Tornado pull that. Okay?
Goodbye, everybody!